Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now by powering your Razer headset and confirming the battery is charged. Low power blocks pairing. Next, switch the headset into Xbox wireless or pairing mode. Refer to the headset's LED for status. On the console, press the Xbox button, then open Profile and System, go to Settings, and choose Devices and Connections, then Accessories. You're taking these steps because you need the console and headset actively discoverable before attempting to pair, which speeds the process and avoids retries. Once the console is scanning, press pair on the Xbox and watch for the Razer headset to appear. Select it promptly to complete the connection. After paired, make sure you assign audio output by navigating to General, then Volume and Audio Output, and selecting headset audio so sound routes correctly. Then fine-tune microphone monitoring, the chat mixer, and game versus chat balance to suit your preference. These settings control how loud your own voice and party audio are relative to game sound, preventing miscues. If pairing fails, switch to a wired connection immediately using the 3.5 cable or USB adapter to confirm audio works. This isolates wireless issues. If wired works, restart the Xbox and power cycle the headset, then attempt to repair. Try a different USB port or the console's controller to rule out a bad port. Finally, update the headset firmware using Razer Synapse on PC or the Razer mobile app when available, because outdated firmware commonly causes compatibility and mic problems. That single update often resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.